Here's a simple guide to unblock someone on Snapchat in 2026. Follow these easy steps on your phone to manage your privacy quickly and safely. Go to the Snapchat app menu and make sure you're logged into your account. On the main screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This will take you directly to your profile page where all your account options are available. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the gear icon to open settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll down carefully until you find a section called Privacy Controls. Under this section, tap on Blocked Users. Here you will see a full list of all the people you have blocked on Snapchat. Now go through the list and find the person you want to unblock. Once you find their name or username, simply tap the small X icon next to it. Snapchat will immediately ask for confirmation. Tap Yes to confirm that you want to unblock this user. After unblocking, remember an important thing: the person will not automatically be added back to your friends list. If you want to reconnect, you will need to search their username again and send a friend request manually. That's it, you've unblocked someone on Snapchat. Now you can reconnect anytime. Just remember to manage your privacy settings wisely going forward.